See the magic of their ovens. Got a mocha, strawberry cheesecake croissant, and a bacon egg croissant. So this is really good. I forgot the balcony seating up above the store. But it was a train wreck for calories. Put it in ChatGPT and it said that's probably close to 1,000 calories. Oof. Choose where you want to be, man. That's all I'm going to say about this one. So I noticed the other day along the beach they were putting piles of debris together. So today the beach is nice and clear. No weeds and plants and plastic and random sort of trash that blew in with the waves. Here we go. Cleanup crew at work. They moved all the debris up here and now they're picking up in a dumpster to take it out of here. Now when I lived in Japan, Zushi Beach, what they would do in the mornings, they had construction vehicles that would rake everything up in another construction vehicle to dig big pits. So they would sweep with machines all the debris that was collected over the night with the tide change, and then dump it into the ground and cover it. So they entomb it inside the beach, and they would just slowly work their way along the beach over time, kept digging in different spots so that the beach would be nice and clear for the crowds. I've walked past adobo so many times. Mexican grill. Let's go get some dinner. Went real simple. I got brown rice, black beans, adobo chicken, and pico de gallo. Nothing crazy tonight. Can't help myself. I'm a sucker for routine, I guess, after all. Get a mocha. Do some more walking later on and call it a night.